An elementary yearbook has a section, a subsection, and a role. The sections are the grade levels. The subsection will be the teacher names. And a role would be something like staff, because I want their picture to be at the top of the page. Now, what if I have a brand new teacher and I need to add their name to the subsection? How do I do this? The answer is go to the main menu and select Update Options. I can update subsections by clicking the second option. I'm going to caution you against using Mr. or Mrs. as the subsection. Instead, just write the last name. So Scott, Smith, and Daya. I added 3 names, separating them with commas. I click Save. And I give it a moment, and you can see Andaya, Scott, Smith are in alphabetical order on this list. Not only that, when we go to Gather and select Gather via Form, the form already exists, so I can just open it. And I'm going to see that the subsection has already been updated with Andaya, Scott, and Smith. And while we're talking about sections, subsections, and roles, let me explain why we want to make some changes to the roles. Do you see how the principal is on a page all by herself? And then there are staff members who are on separate pages. I would like them to be on the same page. So I'm going to Images. And I'm specifically going to look for the subsection. I'm going to clear this. That says Principal and STA. I want this to be the same as all the others. I want the principal to be on the same page as the staff members. So I'm going to change this PRN to STA. But at the same time, I want the principal to be at the top of the page. Instead of everybody having STA, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete the role for anyone I do not want at the top of the page. I have only one person as staff. And let's see if this works. Let's go to Create, and we're going to go ahead and run a draft. Now, get up, go do another activity, and come back. Because if you have a large school with over 600, 700 students, it's going to take a while. And the answer is yes. The principal is at the top of the page with the remaining non-classroom staff alphabetized after her.